Assalamu alaikum students, this video is on chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.2 question number 1 part number 7 to 9. Part number 8, integral under root y into y plus 1 over y. This y can be written as under root y into under root y. This under root y will be cancelled by this under root y. This gives us integral y plus 1 over under root y, which can also be written as integral y over under root y plus 1 over under root y. Moving the under root y in denominator to numerator, we get integral y 1 minus 1 by 2 plus y minus 1 by 2 dy. Taking integral separately, we get integral y 1 by 2 dy plus integral minus 1 by 2 dy, which is simplified as y 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus y 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Further simplification gets us 2 by 3 y 3 by 2 plus 2 under root y plus c. Part number 9, which is integral under root theta minus 1 whole square divided by under root theta. By opening the square, we get under root theta square minus 2 under root theta into 1 plus 1 divided by under root theta, which is equal to integral theta minus 2 under root theta plus 1 over under root theta into d theta. Integral theta by under root theta minus 2 under root theta by under root theta plus 1 by under root theta into d theta, which is integral theta 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus theta minus 1 by 2 into d theta. Taking integral, we get integral theta 1 by 2 d theta minus 2 integral d theta plus integral theta minus 1 by 2 d theta, which gives us theta 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus 2 theta plus theta 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 plus c, which is further simplified as 2 by 3 theta 3 by 2 minus 2 theta plus 2 under root theta plus c. Part number 10, integral 1 minus under root x whole square over under root x. By opening the square, we get 1 minus 2 into 1 into under root x plus under root x square over under root x, which is 1 minus 2 under root x plus x over under root x, which is now simplified as integral 1 over under root x minus 2 under root x over under root x plus x over under root x. X minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus x 1 minus 1 by 2, which can be get by moving the under root x in the denominator to numerator. Now simplifying integral x minus 1 by 2 dx minus 2 integral dx plus integral x 1 by 2 dx. By taking integral, we get x 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 minus 2x plus x 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c, which is equal to 2 under root x minus 2x plus 2 by 3 x 3 by 2 plus c. For part number 9, we have integral e raised to power 2x plus ex over ex. By taking ex common from the numerator, we get ex into ex plus 1 over ex. By cancelling this ex with this, we get integral ex plus 1 dx. By taking integral separately, integral of ex dx plus integral of 1 dx is equal to ex plus x plus c. This concludes our lecture for